Yeah, guys, the new judge over the Senzo Meyiwa case, he is the messiah that a lot of people have been waiting for. And look, it comes as no surprise because he took over, and guess what? The case has been trending, and I'm gonna I'm gonna take you through what people were saying about this case, trended, and all the stuff. So I'm gonna take you through all of that, provided that you're interested. The people started saying, my Leonard colleague, there's an issue of legal aid because people here, people are represented by the legal aid, and the judge says, how far is the legal aid building and how far can we get there? And then they were like, it's 10 minutes away. We will wait. We will continue with doing certain things in this building while you are attending to legal aid. And it's like, how much time do you need? He's like, no, I'll be here at 12:30. He's like, go. Yeah, hi, Kazla. Looks like exactly the messiah in the case that a lot of people have been waiting for. Somebody that it looks like the judge that is presiding now is the type of a judge that if you bring a smaller case before him, it looks like that case will take a day and then it's done with the case. Verdict given and all the stuff. If ever somebody has to be sentenced the same day, you get sentenced and then you take your things and you go. With this new judge, guys, I'm gonna take you I'm gonna take you into confidence. Wow, I'm super impressed, and the way he handled himself, the way he's taking this case, it shows that in this case you needed somebody that is more or less like that will bring this autocratic behavior. Because if you don't have that autocratic behavior, these people come with just a cheap strategy just to delay the case. Even today they wanted to delay the case, and the judge says, not over my watch. Hey, and you know what? I'll take you into confidence, provided that you're interested. If you are interested, then please stick around. As you stick around, there's only one favor that I'm requesting from you guys, and that favor is that you subscribe, you like the video, and you do comment in the comment section below. Why do you need to do all of these nice things, good people? You need to do it because doing it does help out a lot when it comes to the YouTube algorithm to promote and spread this video to as many people as possible. So definitely, good people, the power here is in your hands. The judge comes in there and then he starts the trial from the beginning. You know what I'm saying? And then I was watching the trial live. So a lot of people were saying, why is this judge taking this case or putting everything into a restart? And let me explain why. It was very important that he does that because, look, as we proceed, you will notice that what he did, he covered a lot of loopholes. What was going to happen? They were going to allow him, some people who just would have wanted to jeopardize his reputation, they will allow the case, or they would have allowed the case to proceed, probably to the end of judgment. And when you conclude the case, then they bring those Molanyana issues to discredit the judgment. So what he did, he was like, you know what, even if this case I was watching it probably live, whatever, but he was like, in this case I want to pretend like I'm from planet Mars, I'm from United States of America or Russia, wherever, Ukraine. I know nothing about the case. So he's doing things as if he knows nothing about the case. And you know what? I like that because it covers a lot of loopholes. You know what I'm saying? Number two, what I liked about that was that it also going to give him now look, everybody that presented any testimony, when they appear before this judge, one, he will have his own time to read their body language. And if he continues with the agility and the pace he's taking this case, it appears like we're going to arrive at the conclusion as quick as possible. Now, let's conclude with that one. So I like that Uguti. Now the judge will make his informed decision, so that if it backfires, it is on him, not on the previous judge. He is not gonna take the records and the videos and everything and use it to make a judgment. He's like, nah, I am going to use my own evidence that is presented before me. Then I'll take that evidence combined and make a judgment. I like that because to me it tells me, okay, this judge is aware of what is at stake. But number three, what I also liked about the judge is that he is cognizant. You know what I'm saying? He is aware of the look of your demand. As you and I, we want to see this case coming to an end. So he's aware of the public interest to the case. He's aware of how much we don't like to see this case dragging so long. You know what I'm saying? So he's very much aware of that. Now, okay, let me tell you a story that you probably don't know. So, because I must say it even in English, because I saw in my comment that I've got people that probably I suspect they are Indians who might not know English. I know that I've got Pillay in my comment section. She usually comments a lot, so I always read that name. I'm like, I'm not sure. Pillay, which tribe are you in? Are you an Indian, color? Please tell me. But yeah, we've got people like Pillay who probably might not know Zulu, so we need to use English. Now, having said all of that, what was so interesting about that case, what was so interesting about the judge's agility, you know what I'm saying, was that it just, he's trying by all means to minimize time in between. So they started about my lord. I'm going to take you into confidence as what people said, why the case trended. They are saying there is a legal people who are representing suspects of the legal aid, and the legal aid is still processing things. I like the response from the judge, and the judge simply stated, how far is the legal aid building? And they were like, it's 10 minutes away. It's like, okay, no problem. You are going to have to take your car, go to the legal aid. We will continue with certain things in the building. I was like, wow. So I read comments, and people were saying that if it was the previous judge, he would have granted another postponement just for somebody to go in a 10-minute building, 10 minutes place that is 10 minutes away, a building that is 10 minutes away. He would have granted a whole postponement, and this judge is like, nah, I'm not gonna postpone for those things. And I like what he says as well. He's like, no problem. If push comes to, I can order that we call them, the people that are working in the judicial system, the people that are assisting the judges there. Is like, I can order that we call them today. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, wow, yeah. But what he wants is that the case must continue. We cannot be now, we cannot be held at ransom by people who just want to go to a legal aid. Legal aid that can continue processing things while we are working here. That's it. And I'm like, wow. So then he tells these people, the suspects, Uguti, okay, you guys, you have a right to apply for a bail. Then I'm like, oh my God. So we're going to have a bail again. Then it's like, Bongs, let me correct you. Yeah, he's very, you know what I'm saying? So he's like, Bongs, let me correct you. These people have a right to apply for bail, but not in this court. In this court, we are continuing with their case non-stop. And I'm like, wow, okay. Then the next thing that the other thing that he did, which I was impressed, Ngayo, was like, okay, he was like, okay, you guys, let me read your rights. And then only to find that one or two of them, the guy that was wearing Adidas, a sweater Adidas, he's like, no, nothing was given to me. I don't know anything. He's reading those things there and there. He's not waiting for people to, they will do it for. And he's reading it there and there so that everybody is on a clear and on the same page. Nobody will complain and say, Mina, I don't know this. He's like, I'm going to sort it out now. And I'm going to read everything now so that we proceed. The minor details, we cannot postpone the case over these minor details, and we cannot afford to jeopardize the case over these minor details. So he closes all the smaller loopholes. He closes them, and then he says, look, legal aid sorted out. And then he says, he goes, look, he asked the state, let's work on the charge sheet. They work on the charge sheet. Okay? These things that I'm telling you, they are in no order. But these are the things that I've noted in the case, and I like those things. And then he's like, legal representative, tell me, do you agree with what the charge sheet that will be given to these people, because we are starting the case anew? And they all say, yes, we agree. And the like, okay, done. No, my Leonard colleague, nah. Delete that, move that of the way. I'm like, wow. I just wish and hope that they don't sabotage this new judge, because the energy, the agility is super. So I just wish and hope that they don't distract this judge. We are going somewhere now. I concur with the people who are saying, yeah, we are going somewhere. At this pace, I can tell you 4 months is enough. This case, we will know the killers, and the people will have their verdict. I'm telling you, I'm giving you 3 months, 4 months now. According to the pace, will be done. But let us also thank the people that profiled the judge, because the people that were able to sit down and profile the type of a judge that they needed to fast track this case. Let's give credit when it is due. Let's give credit when it is due. I forgot the department that was involved in assigning this retired judge, but let's give credit to those people. They understood what people wanted, you know what I'm saying? And they delivered to people's expectation. They profile a judge that will at least hasten the case, and a judge that is a no-nonsense taker, a judge that avoid smallanyana delays that have no meaning, you know what I'm saying? For that, guys, let's give credit to those that profiled the judge and ultimately appointed a judge that is going to take us forward. We're tired. It's been years and years. We're standing here. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is what people said. People were on fire. Look, I told you it trended. So this is what people say. Judge, they said 10 out of 10. Gusho Zandi _L. But I judge, I'm giving you 10 out of 10. Comments were flooding, and people were so super happy. You know what I'm saying? Diego _Chien Utige, hit a like if you love this judge. Wow. Hey, guys, I will hit that like without a complaint, you know what I'm saying, without even having a shadow of doubt in my mind. But hey, people have commented on this one, but guys, I don't know if I can I'll be able to start afresh. But yeah, judge what I'm a comments, guys, like I'm trying to see a person that is against the new judge. I like the show right now. But he feels the heat because he's trying to delay the case, and then this new judge is not having heat. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm trying to summarize it by just finding but maybe finding a new a comment that is against. But this new judge Gusho Ulevis at password _ uti. The new judge give me this vibe when we say we start from scratch. So they posted a video of CR7 CR7 or CR17 CR7 Julius Malema when he arrived, and people ask unnecessary questions. They say look, and the AFF says, hey, we've just arrived. We've just started. Hey, you don't want this meandering around. So But okay, so omunye ke uthi ke u at Kazi underscore M uthi, I love this judge so much. He is so energetic. Yes, Kazi, I really concur with you. The energy that the judge gives, you know what I'm saying? Ah, wow, 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 wow. Ah, ha, ha. And then Buzz Naz, look at Buhle underscore Buzz 92 uthi, I like this energy. Already I am very certain we won't be having unnecessary tea breaks like that of Muela. Oh, the new judge bafethu. I ngeke ngiyayivuma. Hey. But yeah, like I can go on and go on and go on. But yeah, look, I'm trying to find specific comments, you know what I'm saying, just to sum it up. But I'm just showing you how much people are happy about the performance of this new judge. Mind you, he just took over, but the level of agility, that is what is so impressive about this new judge. So at LK look at LK Mamabolo Uti, this new judge will save us a lot of time. The direct opposite of that clown called Muela. Well, I ngazi ke wena kodwa ngazi kuthiwe sengithe mina let me not comment. But yeah, people were showing a really a gratitude. Yeah, they were showing some love for the new judge. That's all I can say. But there's nothing much that I can say apart from the fact that people were showing some love for the new judge. That's all I can say. And I'm one of those people. I'm going through my Twitter, Twitter here on my laptop, guys, and I'm trying to find at least a negative comment from these people. I'm not finding any negative comment concerning the new judge, but I'm finding a comment from people saying, you know what, that is exactly what we wanted. I'm just praying, if this judge can come across this video, there's one thing I'm praying for, is that just don't lose that energy, please. Maintain that energy, maintain that agility, maintain all of it, everything that has got to do with agility, energy. If you just maintain it this way, I'm certain that we'll get to the conclusion of the whole matter in no time. You know what I'm saying? I'm certain of that. And we will know the verdict anytime soon from now. And for that, I want to say I salute you. You know what I'm saying? And let me close by saying, what an incredible judge. The agility. Guys,